Hello everybody, my name is Brian Rojas with La Troka, Sembrando Cultura y Nutrición. We're very excited about La Plaza's Dia de los Muertos celebration coming up, where we'll be celebrating the star of Dia de los Muertos, the marigold. Did you know that in Spanish, the marigold has many names, including Flor de Muerto, Cempoalxóchitl, Cempoalxóchitl, and many others? In fact, Cempoalxóchitl comes from the native Nahuatl word Cempoalxóchitl, which means 20 flowers, referring to the flower's many petals. We'll be celebrating the Cempoalxóchitl with plant anatomy worksheet and art activity, where students will learn about the many different parts of the plant in English, Spanish, and Nahuatl. You'll also have a chance to plant your very own Cempoalxóchitl in a compostable paper pot that you'll make right here at La Plaza. So come celebrate with us Sunday, October 27th, as we shine the light on the beautiful Cempoalxóchitl.